Hey everyone, this is Scott again with CW Direct right here in Elkhart, right where they're made. I'm going to show you a very unique floor plan today. I think you'll like it. It's a Forest River Ranch 393 RL, and I'm not going to give it away. I'm going to put it in my back pocket until we get inside. So let's start outside. Here we go. All right, starting outside. You'll notice it has slide toppers and the slim rack gear, not a Schwintek. There's storage in the front compartment as always, more ride pin box, cushion ride, 30-pounder here, 30 on the other side. It has two awnings. There's one. There's the other. Check out the storage. Look at that. And there's a heat vent, so it's heated down here. Place to put the TV for game day with an outlet. And there's an outlet here as well. You'll notice it has 1, 2, 3, so 6-point leveling system with the solid step. And this screen door has automatic close. Pretty nice. On this door, the shade is already there. You don't have to get it later. Has the real nice safety rail, so you can grab the rail before you even take your first step. Has an upgraded curb suspension, 393 RL, seasonal protection program, season protection, easy for me to say. And then here in the back, look at all that storage. Motion sensor light just came on. There's another heat vent. Access all the way around. Propane connect for a grill. Prep for a backup camera. Has a ladder, so fully walkable roof. And back here you have a receiver with a flat 4, so you can put 300 pounds of vertical weight or tow up to 3,000 pounds. This tray slides out, and if you go far enough like that, it locks into place. That will hold 800 pounds. 50 amp service, 50 amp cord reel, power cord reel. Here is the outside shower hose for right there. It has whole house water filter and the Nautilus system that we'll explain to you as part of your walkthrough. Discharge, furnace, direct spark ignition, water heater, other side of the pass-through. Here's the auto level system, and you could maybe see that motion sensor light came on. Another 30-pound tank, and then we're back up front. Okay, let's walk inside and I'll show you my big secret. Solid step, self-closing screen door. All right, there's the first set of steps and a place to kick shoes off. Circuit panel, fire extinguisher. Hey, another set of steps. with a handle. So you go up the second set to the living room. And what do you see when you walk in here? Right away you see night and day shades, TV, has storage, power open and close recliners, sofa that will turn into a trifold bed, nice wall sconces, storage up there, big TV, fireplace that really does kick out a lot of heat. The island has an outlet there if you want to put a crock pot or coffee maker here. All this storage and a place for the all-important garbage can. Oops, sorry, there it is. Garbage can. 2 of them. Soft close. Nice. Draining rack. Upgraded sink. Retractable gooseneck faucet. Pantry space with adjustable shelves. Power tower. Oh, back here by the sofa, you have USB connections and outlets up there. USB connection down here. You have an outlet here. And of course the outlets there. Coffee pot, crock pot, 4-burner stovetop, and an oven big enough for a Thanksgiving bird. Thermostat, hangable. There's the control panels, all the brains. We'll walk into the bathroom. Nice size shower, place to sit, shave legs. Porcelain stool, more storage, double basin, actual medicine cabinet if anyone still puts medicine in there, place to hang a hand towel, and there's heat in here, air conditioning, max air fan, and then as you walk down the hallway to the bedroom, you have all that storage down low. Motion sensor light came on. This one should too. Look at that. Hangable with more storage down low. A king bed, true king bed with storage up above. This is really neat. So this table, if I had a free hand, the leg will kick up and the table folds against the wall. Down low there's an outlet, so you could use it for a desk or someplace to iron clothes. TV and another fireplace. 2 fireplaces with more storage up high, and the doors stay open on the hinges. You don't have to hold it with one hand and try to get something with the other. Make sure you close that, because when the slide comes in, you don't want to rip it off. Another closet with washer dryer prep, outlets. So you could fit a stackable unit in here, and that would take up all of your space, or do a combination unit and still have some space. Outlet in here. Some shoe storage, not enough for all my shoes. And we'll do a quick pan around the unit. There's an outlet over there. Walking past the wall O storage. Here we go. Should probably open the fridge for you. Let you see this massive fridge. Look at that. Very nice. This has a tire pressure monitoring system already. And there you go. This is the Forest River 393 RL. Very unique floor plan. No steps going to the bedroom. No steps going to the living room. Once you come up these, you're on flat land. All right, so hope you like that. If you would like any more information on it, a quote, please let me know. You can call me at 574-564-6673, extension 1233, and my email is scott.barlag@campingworld.com. Thanks a lot. Hope to talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.